Hey guys, Shruti here. Today I am doing a big haul / review video of the Balm Cosmetics, and don't forget to wait till the end of this video for a big surprise which I planned for you guys. तो देर किस बात की, चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं, अपने मेकअप के कीड़ों को जगाते हैं और अच्छे मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बात करते हैं।
बहुत जल्दी पड़ी है वीडियो शुरू करने के लिए, सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए कौन बोलेगा? तुम्हारी अम्मा अम्मा अम्मा।
तो वीडियो देखने से पहले सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना। So the Balm Cosmetics is a luxury makeup brand and they make some amazing makeup stuff. They are available in Sephora, you call it Sephora, whatever you want to call it, and they are also available online in India as well. And in your local makeup stores as well, you can find them. Like there is a shop in Karol Bagh called Incense. You can find them in Incense. So the Balm Cosmetics sent me an email and asked me about my shipping address, and they said that they are going to send me some gifts, just like that. So I was like, okay, fine, I will receive some gifts. But this is what I got. Literally, this is just way too much makeup. I just cannot believe how much makeup they sent me, because this is way too much, first of all, and all the makeup stuff is so good quality and they are really, great quality stuff. So I just cannot believe it that I received all that stuff, because it's too much overwhelming for me. तो बहुत हुआ श्रुति बाबू का लेक्चर, शुरुआत करते हैं मेकअप प्रोडक्ट से. The first product I have here are overshadows, and I have two of their shade. One is in a light pink color and the second one in a beige color. I like both of them, but the beige one is absolutely beautiful as a highlighter. अगर आप ब्राइडल वर्क करते हो तो ये ज़रूर इस्तेमाल कीजिएगा, because ये एक बहुत ही इंटेंस हाईलाइट की तरह काम करेगा. And if you want that perfect, dead on perfect glow, just like Nikki Tutorials, you need to try this on. Then they sent me 5 of their blushes. So the first one is Cabana Boy, and this one is a beautiful purple shade. I absolutely love this shade, especially for Indian skin tone. I believe this is the perfect shade to go for. This is going to give you that pinkiness. At the same time, it's not gonna be that pinky. It's gonna be more like a earthy pink tone blush. You should definitely give it a try, especially if you are looking for a everyday perfect blush. This is an amazing color to go for. Okay, then comes Frat Boy. I already own this blush, so I cannot say much, but this is a perfect matte finish everyday blush for me. And because it is not that blue tone pink, it is more like a warm pink color for me. So it's like a everyday pink. If you have skin tone which is a couple of shades lighter than me, it is going to do even more better on you. Next blush is Warm and Sunny. Now this one looks like a bronzer come blush to me, and the shade is really pretty. Trust me girls, go with the brown shades, especially for blushes. If we feel like that we need to apply pink blushes, but trust me, go with the brown shades and they look even more natural and phenomenal. And this shade right here is a very subtle light color, good for everyday purpose, and it's also matte and finish, which is my favorite finish for blushes. The next blush is a Down Boy. Now this is also a beautiful everyday pink shade, and this is a matte finish blush. It looks like that it is a little bit shiny in the packaging, but when you apply it, it's completely matte. And I love the color because it's pink, but at the same time it's not the on your face pink. It's like an everyday color. And if you have a skin tone which is a little bit darker than me, you should definitely give it a try. It will look even more better on you. And the last one is a blush bronzer. Now this one is a bronzer for me, but if you have darker skin than me, then definitely it is going to act like a blush for you. Now it is a matte finish blush, and it blends like rain. All the blushes from the Balm, they are so finely melt, they blend with your foundation so good. It doesn't look patchy. Sometimes it happens when you apply blushes, ऐसा लगता है कि blush कहीं और जा रहा है, foundation कहीं और जा रहा है, और लगता है कि आपने blush लगाया हुआ है. ब्लश लगाने का मतलब ही ये है कि आपको लगना चाहिए कि ये आपकी जो चीक्स है वो नॉर्मली वार्म है या पिंक है, तो वो नेचुरल इफेक्ट आना चाहिए। तो इसके लिए आपको चाहिए कि आपका ब्लश जो है वो काफ़ी फाइनली मेल्ट हो और वो आसानी से जो है ब्लेंड हो जाए। जितनी अच्छे से वो फाउंडेशन के साथ आपके बैठेगा, स्टिक करेगा और ब्लेंड करेगा, उतने ही अच्छे से जो ओवरऑल लुक है वो आएगा। आई ऑल्सो गॉट देयर फेमस बहामा मामा ब्रॉन्जर। You guys already know that I own this, I use this, I love it because the shade is really perfect. It's not the reddish brown, it's more like a mixture of cool brown and warm brown, which I absolutely love. The shade is so much perfect for bronzing. Love it. The next product is their matte lash mascara, and you guys know that I love my Maybelline Lash Sensational one. But oh my god, this one is so much better and amazing. The wand is really good, the formulation is so good, it makes your lashes longer, at the same time it doesn't clump at all. Really like it. I don't want to compare both the mascaras because Maybelline one and this one are so much different in price. But it is a really good mascara to try on. If you can, then definitely try this one out. It's really good mascara. Then they sent me their long wearing eyeshadow sticks batter up, and I got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 shades. Now they all are very long lasting. When you apply it on your eyelid, just smudge it and you're good to go. They are going to stay for good 8 to 9 hours. I tried it for a good 9 hours and they were on my eye before, like, you know, I called the day off. So yeah, they are really good, but I am not a huge fan of eyeshadow sticks because I am all about eye makeup. I love to get transitions and 5 different colors in my eyeshadows. I don't feel satisfied until I am using like 10 eyeshadows in my eye makeup. So I am not an eyeshadow stick person, but if you are, you know, if you wear makeup every single day for work purpose and you want to pop out just one single shade on your eye and go out, you should definitely give them a try, especially because they are very long lasting. Then I got their liquid liner, and this one is matte in finish. I absolutely love it because first of all, the tip of this brush is really thin. You can make a very precise line with it. Even if you want to create like a designer kind of eyeliner, you can do it easily with this eyeliner, and it is really intense black. It is jet black, matte in finish. Absolutely love this product. I will highly advise, if you are looking for a great eyeliner, you should definitely give it a try, because even I tried MAC ones, but they are not as good as this one, so you should definitely give it a try. Then I got their highlighter palette. You guys know I'm going to be extremely excited about this one because it's a highlighter, right? Okay, so it contains Mary Luminizer, which is world famous luminizer, then Cindy Luminizer and Betty Luminizer, and this is how they look like. The first one is this Mary Luminizer, which is a very light golden shade, and the second one, Cindy one, is a light pink color. This also looks really good on Indian skin tone. I already used it 2 or 3 times. And the last one is Betty Luminizer. Now, don't get intimidated by the color of this one. It feels like it's very dark, but when you apply it as a highlighter, it does give you that warmness of a bronzer, which look really pretty, especially if you are going out. Moving on to eye makeup. First, I got their Meet Matte palette, and it contains all matte eyeshadows. It has 9 of their eyeshadows. This is how they look like, and a huge mirror, so it's really good, especially for traveling purpose. You can just keep it in your purse, and this big mirrors is also going to be a very big use. Now all the shades are really cool. First of all, they have a very wide variety of shades which you need, especially for creating transitions and for blending out in the crease. You need matte shades if you want to do a good eyeshadow look, and it has all the browns which you need for creating any look. The next eyeshadow palette I have here is the Balm Appetite palette, and look at the packaging first of all, because it's really cute. It's Eat Your Heart Out. Okay, the middle row is really beautiful. All the shades in this middle row are like the perfect shades for like a night out look, and you can also create everyday looks with this palette because they are very neutral, and you can play around with this palette and make a lot of looks. First thing, I feel like they have like a light blending shade, a medium brown shade, and a crease shade, a dark shade. They have a lot of variety of shades which you can very easily play with and make a lot of eye looks with this palette. Ta-da-da-da! And then I got their famous Nude palette, which is really pretty. So I traveled with this palette recently, and I absolutely love it because first of all, oh my god, this is a hell pigmented palette. Now I also have an Urban Decay Naked palette, which is also a very expensive one, but I will highly advise you girls to try this one out, especially for Indian skin tone. The Urban Decay one was okay or good, I will say, but the shade in this palette are more appropriate for our skin tone. And at last I got 12 of their liquid lipsticks, and these are all matte in finish. Oh my god, you guys know I am a big lipstick junkie, and this is like a treat for me. Oh my god, I feel so excited when I talk about liquid lipsticks because they are awesome. I love them. You guys know that Ofra liquid lipsticks are my favorite one, but these are going to replace the Ofra ones because they are really awesome. चॉप जल्दी से बताते हैं लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स के बारे में. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द फॉर्मुलेशन इज लिक्विडी. इट्स नॉट मूस लाइक लैक्मे 925 की जो रेंज है लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स वाली, उस टाइप का फॉर्मुलेशन नहीं है. ये काफ़ी थिन है और लिक्विडी है, वेरी पिगमेंटेड. पिगमेंटेड का मतलब होता है द कलर यू सी इन द ट्यूब इज गेट ट्रांसफर्ड ऑन योर लिप्स एज इट इज. जैसा ट्यूब में दिख रहा है बिल्कुल ही वैसा आपके होंठों के ऊपर आएगा वही कलर. सो व्हाट यू डू इज यू अप्लाई इट, स्प्रेड वेरी इजीली बिकॉज इट्स लिक्विडी, एंड देन इट ड्राइज अप इन 30 seconds. So you need to make sure you are very quick when you are applying the lipstick because it is going to dry in just 30 seconds, and when it dries for a complete matte finish, true complete matte finish, and it does stay for more than 24 hours. I tried it for more than 24 hours, so I can say for myself that oh my god, it does stay for more than 24 hours, and it doesn't feel like it cracked on your lips or anything like that. It does stick on the lower lip, this area as well. Amazing lipstick. If you are looking for a good quality liquid lipstick, you should definitely give them a try. So that's it for this video. Wait, अरे वीडियो अभी खत्म थोड़ी ना हुआ है, अभी तो हमने सरप्राइज भी तो बताना है. Okay, so इतना सारा मेकअप खुद सारा इस्तेमाल तो नहीं कर सकती मैं. That's why I am giving away a part of this makeup to one of you. So all you have to do is सारे मेकअप को जीतने के लिए check out the description box, and all the rules of this giveaway and everything is in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And what you are getting, let me just disclose that. You're getting the Appetite eyeshadow palette, then you're getting the Frat Boy, my favorite blush, the Bahama Mama bronzer, 2 of their liquid lipsticks, and 4 of their eyeshadow sticks. Just comment below and let me know which product you are more excited to try, and that's it. I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks a lot for watching, girls. Take care. Bye bye. I love you guys.